Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing India-China relations in 2026 and why it matters to every Indian. This topic is not only about borders or soldiers, it directly affects our economy, by the way, security and future also. So let us understand this issue in a simpler and clear way. Why India and China is trending? India and China are the two biggest countries in Asia. The relationship often stays in the news because of the border tensions and political differences. But at the same time, India and China still trade with each other. So, the mix of this competition and cooperation is why this topic is trending right now. In order to understand the conflicts between India and China, we must look at the history which is involved between these countries. So, to understand the present, we must look at the past. So, when we go in the history, we look at the 1962 war, which created a long term mistrust. Later, we saw tensions at the Doklam and the Galwan Valley in the 2020. These events still influence how both countries deal with each other today. So what is the current situation right now? Current situation at the LSE, that is the line of actual control, is very sensitive. Both the countries have troops on the border. Military talks and diplomatic meetings are continuing. India wants peace. See, India wants peace. That is very clear. But India cannot compromise on the national security. The China must understand this thing. National security comes first. Without China cannot understand this thing that India will be going ahead just to meet hand in hand with China by compromising the national security. So this thing China must understand very clearly. Also, we should understand this thing with other angles as well. For example, the economic angle. Now let us talk about the economy. By the way, India and China. China is one of the India's largest trade partners. When we look at the trade thing, China is one of the largest partner of India. But despite that, India imports much more from China than it exports. So this is a trade deficit thing I'm talking about here. Trade deficit is the like how much amount you are exporting and how much you are importing. The difference between these two create a like make a trade deficit. So if trade deficit is very large, that means India is importing a lot as compared to the amount it is exporting. So this is creating a big trade deficit, as you can see. That is why the initiatives like Make in India and the Atmanirbhar Bharat are very important. So you must understand this initiative are not just part of the any policy that government is creating, but it is very big part in order to reduce the trade deficit that India have with the China. Now we will understand the strategic importance, that how this relation is very important in terms, and it is since it is not limited to Asia. So how this strategic relationship is very important to the world right now. See, India and China relations are not limited to Asia. We know that they affect the Indo-Pacific region and the global power balance. Whenever it comes to the world power, we see that when India and China are the biggest power, since they have the biggest trade imports and exports in the world, so they affects the global power balance. Now, at right now, India is strengthening its partnership like the Quad and the its aim to maintain the stability and protect national interests. So what India is doing for this? India has improved border infrastructure and military preparedness. At the same time, India is using diplomacy to avoid conflict. The strategy is very clear: stay strong, stay calm, and stay prepared. So when it comes like why Indians should care about this, see, because national security means national safety, and Indians, when it comes to national safety, they must understand this topic very clear. Trade relations affect prices, jobs, and businesses, and geopolitics decides India's position in the world. So this issue affects all of us. So we must be aware and informed about this thing. So what is the conclusion? To conclude, I will just say India and China are the competitors, not enemies. They are just a mere competitor. They are nothing as a sort of enemies. India needs a smart and long-term strategy. As citizens, what is our role? Our role is to be informed and be aware so that we can understand the things which are happening around us. So if you found this video very useful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind.